HR Mall presents HR kit for everyone. Now we'll see income tax slab and calculation. The current slab for 2019-2020 is for general taxpayer up to 2,50,000 it's nil, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh it's 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh it's rupees 12,500 plus 20% of the total income exceeding rupees 5 lakh. Above 10 lakh, rupees 1 lakh 12,500 plus 30% of the total income exceeding rupees 10 lakh. For senior citizen 60 plus but 80 years, less than 80 years, up to 3 lakh nil, 3 to 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 10,500 plus 20% of the total income exceeding rupees 5 lakh. Above 10 lakh it is 1 lakh 10,000 plus 30% of the total income exceeding rupees 10 lakh. For 80 plus it is up to 5 lakh nil, 5 to 10 20, above 10 lakh it is 1 lakh plus 30% of the total income exceeding 10 lakh. So these are the slabs for 3 different categories. Before proceeding further, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our HR Mall YouTube channel. Some important facts. Above rates does not include surcharges and cess. 10% surcharge is applicable on income tax if income exceed 50 lakhs but up to 1 crore. 15% is applicable if income exceed 1 crore. 4% of health and education cess is applicable on income tax and applicable surcharge. Tax rates and slab are same for male and female. Individuals having total income below 5 lakh are eligible for full tax rebate under section 87A. This section has been recently brought into effect. Now income tax calculation. Let's see for a slab of below 60 years. Net salary, we are assuming the net salary after exemption is 7,50,000. So according to the slab, first 2,50,000 nil, so no tax. Then 7,50,000 minus 2,50,000 is 5 lakh. On 5 lakh again 2,50,000 is reduced but 5% tax, that is 12,500 plus 4% on the remaining amount, that comes to 13,000. Then again on remaining 2,50,000 20% plus 4%, so that comes to 52,000. So total 13,000 plus 52 is 65,000 tax.